In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Steam downloads faster. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Steam, then go to the top left and press on the Steam icon like so. Then go ahead and press on settings. Now over here, all you want to do is you want to select on downloads and make sure that over here where it says download region, that the region closest to you is actually selected. So if you're like in a region that is completely different from where you are, this could cause significant issues, especially when you're trying to download games and stuff like that. So just make sure you select on the region closest to you. Over here, where it says limit download speed, make sure that is turned off, and you guys also have the option to schedule updates as well. That is completely up to you. Then over here where it says throttle downloads while streaming, I highly recommend to turn that toggle off. You can keep this one where it says display download rates in bits per second. You can keep that on. That should be good to go. Now there's one main reason why you could be experiencing slow downloads, and that is likely due to internet issues. So if you guys have the option, I highly suggest that you guys plug in your device using a Ethernet cable. And basically the Ethernet cable will connect to your router, and it is much faster than Wi-Fi. It is incredibly reliable. However, there are other things we can do. So let's go ahead and open up our Windows settings really quickly and take a look at what's going on. All right, so once we're over here, all you want to do is you want to select on network status like so, and then it is going to bring you a screen that looks like this. So all we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on data usage, and over here it will tell you the applications and websites that are currently using the most amount of Wi-Fi. So if you have a bunch of unnecessary applications over here that are using an absurd amount of Wi-Fi, then I highly suggest you uninstall them, because this is actually like putting strain on your Wi-Fi. So at the moment, Chrome is using up the most amount of Wi-Fi, but that is okay. But if you have like some other applications here that are just using way too much Wi-Fi, then go ahead and just delete them. And by the way, if you do have a Ethernet, go ahead and select on it like so, and make sure that this option is turned off where it says set as metered connection. Turn that off, because that will definitely help you out significantly. And additionally, I suggest trying to download your game when there is little people as possible using your Wi-Fi. It should be able to download faster, but if there's like a lot of people using the same internet, that can really put strain on the internet. So I highly suggest that you try to find a time where not too many people in your household are using the Wi-Fi. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.